I'm coming on Black Mountain. The snow is still coming down, not very hard though. Let's see. Going uphill right here. Yes, I know you can fly past me. Genius. Let's see how fast am I going. 35. Now I can go faster, but listen to how the engine sounds. I don't want to run that high RPMs for that long, so I'm going to kind of keep it at 35 will work. Past a Mack truck, he's about to pass me back. Oh, getting foggy. Slightly. And there goes the Mack truck. He must have his gear. Going downhill will be fun for that guy. But he's also got a